Hi everyone, welcome to Gio's Latin Table. Today I am going to do a Cuban sandwich. Very simple, but yet a lot of ingredients are very important to have the right stuff. So I'm going to give you a lot of information today. But first of all, we're going to start with pan de manteca. Cuban style pan de manteca is the closest thing, like I mentioned in one of my other videos, that you're going to get to the Cuban sandwich sold in Florida, a lot of the bakeries that they do out there. It's very good. It's soft on the inside. It gives you a nice crisp. We're going to cut this up. So one of the good information that I'm going to share with you today is that you need two important ingredients to make a great Cuban sandwich. And that is one, the bread, two, the pork. So we're going to slice our bread in half. We're going to use yellow mustard. All right. A lot of restaurants out there, they have their Cuban sandwiches listed in the menus, and what they have is a spicy or brown mustard, a Grey Poupon mustard, different things, but yellow mustard is the correct mustard to use for this. I have some Swiss cheese, I got cooked ham, I got my pickles and my roast pork that I did earlier today, and I want to use that pork also for this dish. So we're going to lay our Swiss cheese, and you can put as much or as little you want. Basically, I put kind of 2 rows of cheese usually, but this time I put 2. And the ham that we have is a cooked ham, okay? So you can use any other ham you want, but you can use whatever you like. If you do a baked ham at home, you can do that as well. You can use a honey ham, but the cooked ham is the best one to use. And I put enough pickles, and you can see I used up the elongated one, not the round ones. But if you can't find these in your supermarket, and then fine, get the round pickle chips. Okay, we are going to use now the pork, and we're gonna kind of spread that in here, layer it. As you could notice how I put the layers, I put the cheese on top of the mustard, and that's because so the heat can transfer to the bread and melt it better and quicker. And see how that looks. So that's going to go in the press here. Okay, so now we're going to top off the pork sandwich. I'm sorry, the Cuban sandwich. Right, it's really nicely. Now a lot of places they'll go ahead and put butter. One of my secret was at Mi Havana, I put some of the pork fat on top. Alright, so this sandwich is complete. This Cuban sandwich, nice and hot. You can hear the crisp to it. I'm going to give you some quick information. If you ever go to Cuba, now they probably, if you ask for a Cuban sandwich, they all know what it is. But some years ago, my neighbor told me that he's Cuban. He goes there about twice a year, and he's Cuban descent. There was tourists that used to go to the restaurants and ask for a Cuban sandwich. The Cubans did not know what was a Cuban sandwich. This was really invented by the Cubans that went exile, that left Cuba and went into the States. They were the ones that came up with the Cuban sandwich. So now they caught up on there, and now they know what's a Cuban sandwich. So we open this up, take a look at that. Looks great. I'm gonna take a taste of this. This is my Mi Havana Cuban. Cheese nice and melted. The bread on point, like I said. 2 ingredients that you need to make a great Cuban sandwich is your pork and your bread. This is it, guys. Very simple, the Cuban sandwich. Thank you for watching. I'm your Latin chef. Hey, and share for the love of food. Thanks for watching.